Hey guys, we're doing the random now for the break. Find out which teams everyone gets. Random live, 7:10 PM Melbourne time. Do participants first. 8 times. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oops, and copy that one now. Now, team wrist, team draw. I do want to get Lakers Boston. No, we're going again. Lakers Boston 4. Kings, Philly, 1, 2, 3, and go to the South Australia. Oh, Jazz, oh yeah. 2, 26, Hudson, Jazz, 26, Glenbow. Lakers, Ashton, Sixers, Nancy, Suns, Matt White, Laker with the Warriors, Knicks, Matt White, Kings, Van Houten. Seems like a nice little mix. Van Houten, Hornets, Cannon. I'll copy that across. Random is complete. Let's get the list now. With Van Houten with Pistons, Hudson Jazz, Glenbow Hawks, Quartermain Raptors, Van Houten Nuggets, Matt White Knicks, Laker with Warriors, Matt White Suns, Pacers Lanyon, Leah Grizz, Deedon Bucks, Lanyon Blazers, Matt White Spurs, Glenbow Magic, Lanyon Thunder, Van Houten Kings, Nancy Sixers, Van Houten Cavs, McAshton Lakers, Nancy Pelicans, Nathan Lott Bulls, Matt White Rockets, Hudson Wolves, Daly Nets, Nick Powell Wizards, Glenbow Celtics, Lanyon Clippers, Nick Powell Heat, Cannon Hornets, and Glenbow Mavericks. And that is the team list. There you go.